Your garage door starts to close, then suddenly reverses before touching the ground. In many flower mound homes, this happens because the safety sensors are misaligned, dirty, or blocked. Incorrect limit settings can also make the opener think the door hit something, causing it to reverse. Debris in the tracks, bent rails, or worn rollers can create resistance that triggers the safety system. Sometimes the issue is with the opener's sensitivity settings or a failing logic board. If your garage door keeps reversing before closing, a professional inspection can identify the exact cause and restore safe operation.